Right, we're looking at x to the power.
Sometimes math is about doing boring problems in the classroom. This is Mr. Boring. He is so boring, all you want to do is get rid of him. Your puzzle here is to work out what calculations you have to do to send them away.
Any minute now I think I'm going to scream. Double maths is nothing but a very bad dream. The teacher at the front has been going on for hours, subdividing wine, raising extra different powers. We passed the message round the class to say, can we raise enough money to send him away? If everybody gives what they can afford, we might have enough to send the teacher abroad. So, do we add or multiply? Do we take away or divide? There's just one thing that we know, Mr. Boring's going to have to go.
Everyone was told to bring in $1.75. There are 31 pupils in the class, but 2 of them forgot to bring the money. What calculations do you have to do? And how much money is there altogether?
We want to send him packing just as far as we can, so we'll have to check prices and choose a plan. It could be the number 8 bus takes him the furthest away from us. It might be better if he's on a train. Will he get so far we never see him again? We could put him in a taxi and say, get lost. Or even an aeroplane, but what does it cost? Oh, do we add or multiply? Do we take away or divide? There's just one thing that we know, Mr. Boring's going to have to go.
What sort of transportation would you choose for him? To go in a taxi costs $2.10 just to get in, and $1 for every half mile you travel. In a bus, it costs 30 cents per mile the first 10 miles, and then only 15 cents per mile. Trains take you 5 miles for every $1 you pay. To fly costs $50 to start, but then only 12 cents for each mile. So with all the money you've collected, you need to work out how far you can send him by taxi, bus, train, and plane. What sums do you have to do? And which form of transportation will take him furthest?
At last, we've done it and he's on his way. That'll be the end of maths today. So bye-bye, sir, don't be too upset. You know we'll think about you. Wondering just how far you're going to get. So do we add or multiply? Do we take away or divide? There's just one thing that we know, Mr. Boring's going to have to
go. Mr. Boring walks at 3 miles per hour. How long is it going to take him to walk back from wherever you sent him? Will he have to get across the sea? Well, he swims at only 1/2 mile per hour. And could you make up a puzzle like this about Mr. Boring?